Welcome to 2416 Sawmill Street in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Recently refurbished and ready for sale and immediate occupancy. Let's go inside and take a look to see just how it looks. Coming into the living room, see there's a gas fireplace, tray ceiling. Walking over through to the dining area, as you can see it has 15 light double doors on the back going into the large backyard. Here's a very large kitchen for a home of this size. Freshly refurbished cabinets, new tops, new plumbing. And we'll walk down the hallway. That's the laundry area there. We won't open that, no point. Seen one laundry, you've seen them all. Sorry about the chirping fire smoke detector. This is the guest bath. Also redone, new floors, refurbished cabinets. Mirrors are on order for both bathrooms. I'm going to turn right at the end of this hallway. And as you can see, there's 2 bedrooms down this hall. All redone. Not sure how well you can see. This is all brand spanking new windows as well. New carpet, new vinyl floors, pretty much new home. It has a central heat and air conditioner that was manufactured in July of 2015. It's a Bryant. This is the master suite as we're walking in. Pan back around. Pretty good sized room, as you can tell. And then that's the master suite ahead, and the lights are off, so I'll have to turn that on as we walk through. Sorry for the flash. Cabinets have also been redone in here. Fresh paint, doors, trim, walls, everything. Even the closets were painted. Bring us an offer. This one's not going to last long.